welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on this wig and kind of just showing you guys why wigs are cool, why you would buy one, why you would want one, all that stuff. I love wigs. You guys know I love wigs because they are so easy, they're convenient. You can just throw it on and go if you just need something cute to wear somewhere, and they are a great investment because they can last you a really long time. Instead of buying weave for a sew-in or for, you know, an install of your choosing to achieve a certain look is just not practical to me. I used to get sew-ins all the time, and let me just tell you how much I hate sew-ins. You have to wash all of the hair on your head and then wash your hair underneath. You can't get to your hair when you need to scratch. And on top of that, sew-ins don't last forever. So even if you do get a bomb sew-in, you're gonna have to take it out eventually to maintenance your hair underneath and to get it reinstalled. And if you can't keep the hair, then you gotta buy all new hair. It's a lot, okay? So for me, a wig is a lot easier because I can take it off and I can do whatever I need to do with it off of my head, and it'll last a lot longer because you're not manipulating it every single day, because you can take it off, put it on a wig head, and it'll still be in the same style that you did it in the day before. The first wig that I ever got was a bang wig like this. It was from RPG Show. It was the RPG Show PTS001. I still remember it because it's my favorite wig of all time, because it's the easiest wig to throw on when you don't want to do your hair. Some wigs you have to line up the part and do all of that blending and stuff. This kind of wig with bangs, you don't have to do that, which is why I wanted to introduce this one to you as a wig for beginners. I just took it out the box, put it on my head, and flat ironed it. No blending, no complications, nothing. Another thing that has really kind of been an issue with people buying wigs online is, why does it cost so much? I've had my share of buying virgin hair and getting it installed. You're spending at least $100 on one bundle of hair. To get a full head, you would probably need at least 2 to 3 bundles of hair. I used to spend about $200 to $300 on bundles. That does not include the install price. That does not include if you're going to be sewing it in yourself. That does not include any of the utensils that you need. Most people will charge you at least $100 to sew in your hair, unless you got a friend who can do it for free. So now you're at $400. If you were to, let's say, get maintenance on it, because girl, your braid's gonna start shifting, things are gonna start moving around, you're gonna have to take it out and put it back in. So that's another $100 or so for you to take it out and put it back in. And then if your hair doesn't last very long, if you're not good at taking care of your hair, which is probably why you got sewing in the first place, then you're going to have to get new hair. So then you're spending another $300 on bundles. I believe this wig is about $250. I'll put the price of this wig and all of that information on the screen so you guys can see it. Spend that much money on a wig like this. You don't have to get it installed, and it's already in the style that you want it to be in, so you don't have to get it styled or anything like that. You spend that price one time and the wig will last you at least 2 to 3 years if you take care of it good enough. Spending that much money at one time as opposed to spending that much money every couple months. I think that the wigs are a great investment. They'll last you a long time and they're worth the money. This is a full lace wig, so that means that each individual strand of hair has been knotted to a lace cap that stretches, that fits your head nicely, and you can part it wherever you want so that it will look like a human scalp. So that means that somebody took each strand of hair with something like this and put it into the cap, and it's not something that you can do on your own. That is a luxury that you pay for. Please remember that wigs at this price are not marketed for people who just want to play around with some hair. Full lace wigs are a lifestyle and an investment for those who plan on exercising the longevity and versatility of the wig for extended periods of time. Obviously, these wigs are not for the average consumer. It's okay if you have hair commitment issues, or you just want something temporary, or you just want to hit it and quit it, but there are plenty of inexpensive options on the market for you. That being said, this video is for people who are already in the market for buying a full lace wig, who already share a common interest in luxury hair experiences and are seriously inquisitive about how to go about purchasing one for themselves. If you don't think hair is worth the investment, that's cool, bro. So if you guys were wondering why lace wigs cost so much, that's why. So specifically about My First Wig, when you go on the website to buy a wig, you will select the length. Now the length will change the price of the wig. So if you're getting a wig and say you want 30 inches of hair, you're not going to spend the same amount as somebody who's getting a wig with only 10 inches of hair. So obviously this kind of wig would be a lot cheaper than a wig that is longer. Make sure you're reading the information about the cap construction because there are different caps. I always get a glueless lace cap cap because that way you can wear it without gluing it down, and it has combs and the adjustable straps so that you can adjust it and make sure it fits to your head. Underneath my wig, my hair is braided. Putting your hair in a ponytail and having your hair slicked back doesn't always work because the wig can easily slide back. So you want to make sure that your combs have something to attach to, and you don't want to pull on the front of your hair too much because that will make your hairline recede. So that's why I'm doing a bang style instead of doing a parted style, because this takes the tension off of my hairline. And I've been noticing my hairline getting a little thin, so I was like, no, back to the bangs we go. There are different cap sizes. If you do not know which cap size you will need, it would be smart for you to measure your head. The site does have measurements for the caps so that you know which size will fit you. And if you're not sure, always ask customer service. Customer service is there to help you, because let me tell you, if your wig cap is too big, your wig will come off, and you do not want your wig to come off. I always get the smallest wig size because I know that the back of my head is small, and then I adjust the straps as much as I can. I can do a lot, guys. It's not coming off. Like, I can pull on it, I can go on a roller coaster, and this wig is not moving, okay? When you're ordering it, you just wanna make sure that you know that it is overseas. It's gonna come DHL, so the shipping is fast, it's not long. If your order does take a little bit longer, it's because you did some custom things to your wig. So the best time to order a lace wig would be now, because most wig companies are having their sales and things like that during the holidays. You can get a good amount of money off of a wig when you order it around like Black Friday or like before Christmas. So now I'm going to show you guys how I put this wig on, how the wig came packaged, what everything looked like when it came to me. So when you get your wig, it will come in this package, and it will come with the box and a stand for you to put your wig on overnight, which is really cool. I thought that was a really neat idea to have that in the box so that you don't have to go out and get a wig head if you don't want one. Your wig comes with the details about everything that you ordered, and it will also say not to remove the lace, because if you want to return it, you cannot have the lace cut, okay? So here is the packaging, and I think it is so cute. You get a nice carrying bag, and you also get a little bag with your comb, your wig cap, and you also get bobby pins and clamps for your convenience. I think that is so thoughtful of My First Wig to do that, because these are things that you will probably need when you're going to be applying your wig for the first time. So you also have instructions showing you how to do everything from start to finish. Ivy is showing you how to play your part, girl. You good, you are set. So let's get on to putting the wig on. So this is the wig. This is what it comes like out of the box, and I'm going to show you guys how to wear it out of the box. As you can see here, you've got this lace in the front, and then you've got your 3 combs for your hair, and you got adjustable straps at the bottom, and then the whole entire thing is lace. Netting here in the front where you can adjust your hairline if you would like. I always opt for cutting off all of the lace, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And you want to be careful not to cut any of the hair off, because then you need a whole bunch of unnecessary shedding. So be careful not to cut the hair, just cut the lace. Oh, and there's also this little part for the nape of your neck, but you want to cut that off too, because it's gonna itch. If you're not going to be gluing this down, which majority of you, if you're buying a glueless lace wig, you're probably not going to be wearing it glued to your head. I'm going to adjust these straps as much as I can without it being too tight, because if it's too tight, it'll give you a headache and you'll be walking around wondering why your head hurts, and it's probably your wig. And I have a little head. Collectively, my head is big, but it's little in the back. It like comes to like a cone kind of shape thing. It's strange. And because this wig does not need any of your hairline out, I'm gonna cover the entirety of my hair. That's why I really like this wig the most, because you don't have to wear your hairline out. So if you do have problems with your edges, if you don't have any, or if you just don't want to put any stress or tension on your hair, putting a net over the whole thing and then getting a bang wig is probably your best bet. So obviously I can't wear the wig out of the house like this. Obviously, this is not cute. Ideally, if you have the time or if you really want to, I would go ahead and wash the wig first before you wear it. Flat ironing is a great way to get your hair to go where you want it to go without washing it or anything. And this hair is flat ironable. So this is what it looks like when it's flat ironed. This is not. So this is what the wig looks like Well, obviously this is too long for me, I can't see. And you're gonna take the hair, you're gonna twist it. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. If you guys have any questions, let me know and I will try to answer them in the comments. Ask me anything guys. I want to help you guys out before you make your first purchase. So if you are a beginner and you want to try a wig out for yourself, I would suggest going to myfirstwig.com and getting your life. But that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.